వర్షం పడేలాగా ఉంది. It's look as if it's going to rain. It looks as if it's going to rain. నీకు అంతా తెలిసినట్టే మాట్లాడుతావు. You talk as if you know everything. You talk as if you know everything. నువ్వు కాస్త పెద్దవాడివి అయి ఉంటే నీకు అర్థమయ్యేది. If you were a little bit older, you would understand. ఈ రోజుకి ఇంతే. That's all for today. That's all for today. సరే, రేపు ఉదయం కలుద్దాం. All right, let's meet tomorrow morning. All right, let's meet tomorrow morning. అతడు ఇక్కడ ఉండుంటే అతడు ఏమి అనేవాడు? If he were here, what would he say? If he were here, what would we say? నేను ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్పగలను, అతడు కూడా ఇదే అనేవాడు. I'm sure he would say the same thing. నువ్వు సహాయం చేయలేకపోతే నా దారికి అడ్డులే. If you can't help, stay out of my way. ఈరోజు నాకు అస్సలు బాగోలేదు. I had a really bad day today. నాకు తినడానికి ఏమీ లేదు. I have got nothing to eat. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Learn English with Hasini. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.